1 minus 4 bracket 1 minus 4 is equal what? Here 1 minus 4 gives us negative 3 multiply 1 minus 4 gives us negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 gives us positive 9. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here 1 minus 4 multiply this 1 minus 4 gives us negative 3. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, this negative 4 times negative 3 gives us positive 12. 1 plus 12 gives us 13. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.